Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the power seats, also known as driver, passenger seat, fuses, relays on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Guys, if you have problems with power seats on working, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you guys watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So for the power seats, guys, okay, we'll be working in two fuse boxes. Now, where are those fuse boxes located? Most people know about the one under the hood, and we'll have some fuses there. But we first need to start with an interior fuse box that's hidden. Where? Well, if you open the driver door on the left side of the steering wheel, underneath, you see you have that panel right here. When you remove that panel underneath, you have a fuse box, hidden fuse box, some relays. You have more hidden relays here. By the way, we have a special video on the channel that can save you a ton of money. It's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you a lot of money. Check it out, it's on our channel. It will teach you about all these hidden places that you have fuses and relays and how to get to them. Now, here guys, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So we don't have power seats, so we may not have all the fuses, because if you don't have that option, you may not have them. But the first fuse that you may have is fuse number 55. The fuse number will be right above the fuse right here. It will be fuse number 55. Now, then we need to go, guys, okay, under, okay, we're going to go here under the hood. And under the hood, guys, okay, we'll need to check more fuses and relays. Facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, you have a fuse box right here. Specifically here, we need to, guys, check a few more, and we're talking about fuse number 4. Okay, it will be right here if you have that option. Fuse number 4, the fuse number will be next to the fuse. And then you need to check fuse number 29. It will be right here. You will have a big fuse as well. Now, guys, if you have, okay, if you have 2008 to 2011 model, you have a different fuse box. The one that we just showed you, it's 2012 to 2017 year model. This is for 2008 to 2011. And here you will need to check fuse number 29. right there. What about relays? You don't have specific relays for that, guys. If you still have problems with the power seats not working, we recommend to check fuses relays for the BCM, body control module, because they control these functions as well. The video will be on the channel if you need help with that, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.